friends, welcome back to Vidya's Vegetarian Kitchen. Today I'm going to share yet another simple recipe. It's the mushroom masala. It pairs really well with rice and roti. Let's get started with the recipe. So for this recipe we need 9 ounce or 250 grams of white mushrooms or brown bella mushrooms or cremini mushrooms, whatever mushroom variety you like, you can pick that. So I bought the 9 ounce pack of chopped white mushrooms. It is already pre-washed, so here it is. And now I'm going to make the masala first. So here I have 1 cup of coconut, grated coconut. So to this I'm going to add 1 inch cinnamon, 2 cardamom and 3 cloves. Also we need a quarter cup of chopped onion. You can also use shallots. I would recommend using shallots. You can use up to 3 shallots for this recipe, 1 green chili and 2 teaspoons of pepper, whole pepper and 10 curry leaves. So I'm going to grind all this together by adding a quarter cup of water. Here is the ground masala, and now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of roasted gram dal or pottu kadalai and grind it again. So here is the masala. As I said, I just used quarter cup of water and made it into a thick smooth paste. So the pan is hot and it's over medium heat. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. To this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and also a few curry leaves. As you can hear, the mustard seeds are spluttering. Now I am going to add the ground paste. This is half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add that as well and mix thoroughly. So I'm going to add quarter cup of water and cook this for 5 minutes until the raw smell goes away. So here is the quarter cup of water. Mix it thoroughly and make sure you are stirring the mix for every 2 minutes or so. So here is the masala after 5 minutes. Now I am going to add the chopped mushrooms. And salt. So this is the coarse variety, so I have taken 2 teaspoons. If you are using regular salt, you can add up to 1.5 teaspoons. So now mix this thoroughly. I'm going to make this as a dry masala, so I'm not going to add any water. But if you want to make this as a gravy, you can add a half cup of water. The mushroom also will ooze out some water, so you can adjust the water accordingly. So now I'm going to cover and cook this for 3 minutes. So here is the mushroom masala after 3 minutes. So I'm going to drizzle some water, not more than 2 tablespoons, and allow it to cook again for 3 minutes or until the mushrooms are soft and tender. This is just 2 tablespoons of water. So again I'm going to cook this for 3 minutes. So here it is, friends, the mushroom masala after 3 more minutes. At this stage you can check if the mushrooms are cooked. If required, you can cook for a couple more minutes, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cook it for 3 to 4 minutes again and then turn off the heat. it is friends, the mushroom masala. Today I'm serving this with spinach roti that I made in Rotimatic. I have the recipe on my blog. I'll share the recipe link in the description box as well. Hope you all liked this video. Please give it a try and let me know how you liked it. This is a good recipe if you are getting acquired to mushrooms. And as I mentioned, you can make this as a gravy curry or serve this as a dry curry as well. And once again, thank you for watching the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And I'll see you next week with a new recipe. Thank you.